Dr. Bhargava, Dr. Satish Bhandari, Dr. Mudita, a very important person, Mr. Rajendra, the controller of examination, the registrar, teaching faculties of this university, the outgoing students. It's my privilege to be here. The only regret I have is large number of them, about 1,000 graduates who are passing out this year, have not been able to participate in this wonderful function. As Shantaram said, it would have been a great privilege for the parents of those children who may be participating virtually. They would have seen their son academically succeeding, and such pleasure obviously are deprived today. I think about 90 of you are here. You have been identified as rankers. Some of you are PhD degree holders. I wish you well. Definitely I wish you well. But I would like to share with you 30 years of growth of this institution. 30 years back, 1979, we started with this school with 16 students. Today we are part of a very large academic system which includes medical college, dental college, pharmacy college, 2 engineering colleges, nursing college, in 3 places, one at Nitte, one at Derlkatte, and a large education complex in Bangalore. My mind goes back to the first day, and I would like to tell Mr. Dr. Bhargava, the word is said, maintain ethics. All of you are here, and I think you will vote for that. This institution has maintained highest level of integrity. This is largely because this institution has been started by late Justice K.S. Hegde, who I consider epitome of integrity. And I believe that successive management, I remember Shantaram holding the key, I remember Ramanand Shetty holding the key, I also remember the work Satish Bhandari is doing. This institution, obviously, I can proudly say, has maintained the highest level of integrity. And we believe that every pie these students have paid have been returned by the way of giving excellent academic environment. As you move out of this institution, I would like to remind you something. You have become doctors, you have become nurses, you have become pharmacists, you might have become many professional people. But one thing you should remember, you cannot forget your alma mater. This is your alma mater. When you succeed, go and do professional success. You should not say that we have paid tuition fee, so there's nothing you owe to the university. The large number of faculties here, obviously, as Shantaram said, you owe something to them. He said, he quoted Bhargava's word of Tulsidas. But some of us, there are only 3 gods. One is the teacher, one is the mother, one is the father. I believe there are no other gods other than these 3. And remember, as you go back, touch the feet of your mother, touch the feet of your father, for all the sacrifice I've done to make you excellent graduates. I also would like to tell you the changes which will happen with the passage of time. I think within 1 year, the engineering college and the first grade college at NITTE will come into the university. Maybe a year later, large number of institutions, including engineering college, business school, pharmacy college, etc., which are functioning excellently well at Bangalore, would become part of the university. I look at the opportunity, maybe in 3 years, this university claiming that they have more than 20,000 students. These are things which are happening, and I want you to look at 1980, we started at a school with 16 students, and today we are projecting that we'll reach a student strength of about 20,000 with the passage of 30 years. So this is the change which has happened. There are many people who have done that. I look at the Shantaram Shetty, his tenure as the Vice Chancellor. I look at Ramanand Shetty, his tenure as the Vice Chancellor. I look at Satish Bhandari, his current Vice Chancellor. I look at Dr. Mudithaya. I look at Controller of Examination. All these people have done. Many of the principals have done great jobs. I congratulate them. These students are your products, and I am sure you are happy when they move out with a good degree. With the passage of time, some of us who are aged, we will look at ourselves from 1980 to 2021, 30 to 31 years. What we have achieved, obviously, is a great achievement this university has done. This university is in the process of developing a new campus, very close to this campus, in 100 acres land. And I am sure younger people like Mr. Vishal Hegde will take this institution to a higher height. And maybe, I will not be there. When this institution can claim, as Dr. Bhargava said, of international repute, having more than 100,000 students. These are the plans which the university has. Shantaram mentioned about the core committee meeting. Satish Bhandari, every week we have a meeting. We discuss what should be done, how we are going to get the new institutions, how we are going to do well in the NIRF ranking, how we will do well in seeing that the students do well. These are things which are to be planned. And I congratulate my colleagues, maybe Shantaram Shetty, maybe Satish Bhandari, maybe Mr. Vishal Hegde, maybe Dr. Mudithaya, the Controller of Examination, the Registrar of the University, all these people, and more so the principals of the colleges. The principals of the colleges have done excellent job. I'm proud of the medical college, I'm proud of the dental college, I'm more proud of the dental college, I'm very proud of the pharmacy, nursing, etc. And as I conclude this speech, I wish you well, may God be with you. And as Shantaram said, one thing you have studied in an institution where ethics are the foundation of the institution. Please maintain ethics, be good citizens. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much, sir.
Graduate into a better future. Graduate with NITTE.